Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, recently you would have seen a video go viral. Right. This is a blast, my seat pan. Right. It's all over the place. Minibus look like one of them Voxy looking bus thing there. Ambush, a Mark X. Right. 87 jump out, a rifle. Right. It has to say some kind of low budget movie them a make, but it was real life. Well, when I do them who took part in that shooting was recently killed by the security forces. Killed in a mobile, people in Black Road, tire burn, all kind of things, usual drama. You to then call. Right. Well, his name is Peter Johnson. Right, but you go see hashtag 01 all over the place. He was a quote-unquote music producer too. 01 bangers. Right. See them produce music. I hear some people call him Jolo. Never talk about it. Because of the same story again. This youth come out of KlLLED camp. And Sparta. Before we go into that, couple of things. First and foremost, for patron birthday shout out. This one goes out to the man Diamond. Well, a theme day for shine. Diamond has been in the movement squad for a long time now. He's not really as active in the comment section because you know you have people who are active in the comments and you have people who they might link me more up on a DM and a reason more certain things, but don't matter which route you take, that's completely up to you. Right? I want movement, same way. Diamond, big up yourself. Right? Hope you enjoy your day. Right? Celebrate it to the max. Right? Live long and prosper. See? Hope you see 100 more. That's the man, Diamond, from the Patreon squad. Big up yourself. Next thing, people say, boy, look YouTuber. Right, finally stop Batman now. No, that can't stop. Right, no video come up. Not gonna show no. One time, them in the room. Right. World Sprat, Radrick, everybody in the room. Mad Sauce, aka Sprat Sauce, in the room. We talk about how them can kill lizard. Watch out that video there. In that same video, we're gonna debunk the whole, oh, I'm not saying this, but it's all about the fair trial. Rubbish. The Gaza fan narrative has evolved from Lizard not dead to Lizard dead, but he never did it, to alright, yeah, Lizard dead, but all of a sudden them turn constitutional experts. Peter Johnson. You could have say hashtag 01 all about the place. Now, when the video go viral pan this is a blast, the youth will stand up there with the rifle in their hand. It look like to him get confused and watch the show go down, cause it's like a low budget show. Because while the car did a spin and a spin and a spin, he come like him Dave remember what to do. And Dave realize he come to kill man, he did watch the show. Because if you keep firing while the car did a spin and a spin around the man them dead. But a big part of the video him stand up there confused. Like he must say, what kind of show this? And him in night. He might help start the show and the show are confusing. This youth, long time 87, the whole of Mobile know this. Plankers people them know this. Them know that you do. When I tell them about Iron culture, highly acidic. You hear about the mother this and the girl this. You've seen all the tears, the sad stories. They only care about tears and sad stories when a somebody with them like. You can kill, pillage, rape who you want as long as that's somebody you like. When something happens to you, well then it's now kumbaya. Kumbaya, my 87, kumbaya. Sorrows, prayers. This youth come from the KlLLED camp. And therefore, if you look on this video right there, so that's him in the White Marina being at him. Sparta you. Ask your Uncle D-Man artist about him. Also link with Skeng, because you know Skeng and Tamale them link hard now. You know it got already. Yes, we are double the bad mind, so now we are throwing all Skeng now. Skeng and Tamale are double the bad mind. Speaking about Skeng, When me telling you say Ironman culture and society is rotten, like an apple we left on the ground. The days. Skeng come out and post a picture with him and family. Branded themselves Satan disciples. The fans them say that you can't take like a joke. I just words. As I'm telling you, one of my greatest compliments in life is when me say Jamaican people have burn me out. When a society like Jamaica burn me out, I take it as a compliment. The same people them who brag every day say them have the most churches per square mile. The same Jamaicans when New Year's Eve, them tell you, I go to church because more make sure say New Year's Day catch me in a church. And then tell them read the most this and them read the more and them are the holiest of the holy. Are the same people who get them kicks off to Uncle Demon, Daddy Demon and Satan disciples. Even the picture look ominous. Satan disciples, and people see that and continue to throw their support behind these people. Without Uncle Demon, without Daddy Devil, Satan disciples, these people give you their clues on who they are and what they're about every single day. You choose to ignore those clues. At this point, you can't be so foolful. At this point, you are complicit. At this point, you're making a choice. You're not a victim. The Jamaican people are not a victim. They are complicit. There's a reason why so much evil reigns in our society. Because the society is conducive to evil and it's not poverty make it conducive. Because we can show literally 100 countries poorer. So, a society that idolizes Satan's disciples is going to shed enough tears and black road and go on the most way for somebody like Peter. Look on your screen. This is how far gone the culture is. When the youth drop out and then people them start post about him online and all kind of thing. I can read one of them. I can read one of the things them somebody close to him put out. Oh one, apparently it's part of you left me in a family. And you introduced me to Guzo and the whole Sparta family. R.I.P. my fam. I'm not gonna further. Anyway, you get the drift. You get the drift. That's the same youth playing screen right now. Regular we take on a friend on target practice. How to see him add on the tune, the heartless killers. Dancehall has become the soundtrack. The murder, death and destruction in Ironman. It used to be the soundtrack for something of substance, of value. Now it is the soundtrack. The death and destruction. This you dead pan the election day. Kinda a pattern. See him obey with them, you know. See me Jaffin, he dead. Big parade of going and all kind of things. Just pay attention to who them black road for. The Jamaican people have made their choice. Who do you want? Give us the 87. Give us the Don, give us the 90. Give us the gunman. Criminal culture. This is why even the youth who work in Alaska and Grace Kennedy, as him done work, right, him switch back into him fake bad boy image. And this is why the same girl who worked in Alaska and Grace Kennedy, we tell her say a gunman she want in she hold. 87 alone make you drop panty. Sim say that and said, you can't run like a joke. Joke? The joke is on you, Sim. 10 years from now, you'll be cleaning up the damage for the 87 do to her. The joke is on you. The Jamaican masses are not victims, they are complicit. They made their choice. Give us the 87. Who no want spare? Who no want live? Give us Tesha. Give us sci-fi. One thing I'm most grateful for, I've never had to rely on the crowd. Because when you become a prisoner of the crowd, that's how you end up. I say, yeah, for real, give us the 87. Many of you know So this is a madness, you know. You know so this is acidic, but you're weak. So when you stand there and you hear people say, "You me I say dog," and they matter about either Tesha, they matter about your favorite artist, they matter about King, and they matter about them do. You know who these people are, what them doing, but you're weak because you're trying to fit in, and people who fit in get lost in the pages of time. Only those who draw a hard line and say, "I'm not follow no. That's the thing, man." History has proven that those people get rejected in the moment, but history remembers them well. Every single hero you celebrate was considered a weirdo, an outlier, they chat too much at the time. After them dead and gone, people look back and say, "You know, so that brother did right." Remember, sir, Uno sell out Marcus Garvey. Almost every Jamaican quote-unquote hero was trampled upon by the people in that try to save. They picked the acidity, and then after that person did, them ride the wave. Every single one. Jamaicans have made 87s, have made gangs, have made their favorite crooked politicians, their favorite crooked artists. Something happened to them, Jamaicans make them look like martyrs who died for the cause. I worry for Jamaica's children. I worry for Jamaica's children because we know who are raised them. Jamaican adults. Then the Jamaican child grows up and act the same way and the people them say, "You know this wicked?" No, you wicked. Apple no fall far from the tree. Jamaican children are a reflection of the people and the society we raised them. As little thunder roar, when the run gonna look up in the house, like an earthquake shake when they start ball. I'm sorry for Harry, man, when the next big natural disaster strike. Them level of wickedness and them level of wicked people that can't continue for what the land so. Cause what I'm gonna tell you says, yeah, but people just want to come out because they want to support the fact they come. Remember, somebody died, them only care about somebody died when time some gunman or some artist or something like that. Or some celebrity. Jamaican business about nobody dying. You ever see Jamaicans go on so over no picnic dead? We see baby pan breast dead. You ever see Jamaicans go and say it? Or them are going for 01? Remember when Jasmine Dean family keep our protest? It was like 5 people, remember that? Them said low turnout because people were scared. Scared of what? Scared. When since scared stop them from doing nothing. When you're block road and bun tire, when you bun a tire and fling it in the road and fling it in one car, you're breaking the law, but you're not business about that. Because you're a protest, right? And when you're a protest, you're not business about what you do. Because you're in a militant mood. So why you not militant for Jasmine Dean? Wasn't popular enough. The initial hype of the one dead off quick and there was no clout to be gained. Right, they're most passionate for the most acidic. That is why I'm telling you, sir, Jamaicans are the modern day version of the people they must give us the 87. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. KlLLED, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.